Philip. Can you say hello? Say hello. Hi. George, say hello. Say hi. What are you doing? Are we playing? Are you playing? Hey George, can you show us how you pitch and throw? Show me. Go really big. Throw it. George is an excellent pitcher. Can you say bye-bye? Philip, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.